Yes, ang lamot. Ay, kat-kat na. This Kremlin, you see the feet? There's a lot of feet. Oh, there's thousands of feet.
Yes. Ano ka, Mama?
Zoom na, nasa video ni Daddy.
Balik ba, Mama? That's like a blood. Long voice na sa katapilo.
Don't touch it, it's scary. Focus na ng ube. Na maging sungay. Uy, mata.
Oh my god, I see the eyes. Ano ba, Mama? Those are the eyes. I think. I already seen those like teeth thingies. I already seen them when I came. Why is it so big and Daddy stop on POV? No, don't put it too close because it might jump onto you. Can those stop?
Magbigya ka,